Well, hello again. This is the 26th of May, 2023. This is the results of the pot of potatoes I just emptied. Hardly seems worth it, but it's a few potatoes, not much, but we've got a few more pots to empty and we'll go from there. All right, here's the second one of the day. It's still got a little green in it, but I think it's past time to get it emptied. Well, let's see what we have. Got one little one here. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, another little one. And another. A little bit better. A couple more over here, small ones. Yeah, there's one. And another one. And a couple more. Another one right there. Another little one. Now I'll finish going through this and be back with you. Well, that's it on the second container. They just don't have enough time to size up before the heat kills back the plants. Oh well. Yeah. Tried planting earlier this year, but apparently not early enough. And here's the third container for the day. And we'll go from here. And I've got a few in here. See where we go. There's a couple more. Another one. Another one. Ooh, look at the size of that one. Whoopee. In case you haven't figured it out, I do get a little sarcastic from time to time. Sometimes a whole lot sarcastic. Oops. There's another one. Okay, I'll finish going through this and be back with you. And this is the last container for the day. It's getting too dark out here to film much longer. So I'll dump this and then call it a night. Yeah, not exactly overwhelming, but at least there's something here. Well, that's it on that bucket. Not much else to brag about here. In fact, nothing to brag about, but it's something, I guess. They're edible for sure. I do love homegrown potatoes, so most expensive potatoes I've ever gotten, I'll tell you that. Spend a lot of money on soil and fertilizers and water and get such a poor harvest. Oh well, hope springs eternal. Do it again this fall or next spring. Yeah, and this is what I have out of 4 containers. I still have 3 more containers to empty and a little bitty 4x4 patch of ground to dig up, and we'll see. At any rate, I've got enough potatoes to last a few meals, so I guess that's something. Anyway, y'all take care. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you next time. Bye.